thought we were done, huh? We not more.
Sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken and watch them feathers fly. Sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, break out the butter and the flour, we're ready to fry.
My dog Pete's the smallest dog of all the dogs in my yard.
That's right.
He's a mean some bitch, drinks beaming water from a broken mason jar.
And we sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken and watch them feathers fly. Sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, break out the butter and the flour, we're ready to fry.
I heard this awful noise coming out of the woods.
Coming out of the wood.
I heard chicken screams, knew it wasn't gonna be good.
I think we lost a chicken, I think we lost a chicken.